This is a quick video to show you how to upload that video, a video to show you how to upload the video into your TouchStone account. So go ahead and open your TouchStone account. Come over here and click on your 4 key functions. And when we downloaded this file, this process earlier in the meeting, we downloaded it to here and then we moved it to here. So this is the first key function. It may say guiding the business. Mine says strategy and management because I have edited my key function names. I would say that if you followed all of the instructions correctly during our meeting yesterday, it should be here. So go ahead and click on this first key function, and the process, it should say ManagementScaping, employee coaching and training. If it's not there, click here, the third key function, and you will probably find it there. And it will probably saved it under administration. You'll probably see it right here. Doesn't matter where it is right now. We just want to get this video uploaded into that process. So I'm going to go back to the process, find the process. It's either going to be here or here. I'm going to click on the process, ManagementScaping, employee coaching and training. Again, in the meeting on Thursday, I think I had you rename this process and take out the word ManagementScaping. So it might say employee coaching and training or something like that. But if you never replace the ManagementScaping word, it'll be called this. So go ahead and click there. And then scroll down to the video button. And let's put in a video title, something like training using the control panel. And then click choose file. When you click choose file, it's going to open up your Windows folders, and you just need to find that file. If you just downloaded it from my email and did not save it to your desktop, then it's probably going to be in your downloads directory. And so I see it right here, training using the control panel. It might be on your desktop, so you might have to click here to find it, but I see it right here, so I'm just going to double click on that, and you see TouchStone is now uploading the file. Once TouchStone tells me the file upload is complete, I've got that message, come up here and click the save button, and that file will now be in your process. Okay, that's it. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.